I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make low-calorie oatmeal cookies. First, let's talk about smart ingredient swaps. To significantly reduce calories, we'll replace traditional butter with unsweetened applesauce or mashed banana. Instead of refined sugar, opt for natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol. Using rolled oats, not instant, ensures a satisfying texture and boosts fiber. These simple changes make a big difference in your cookie's nutritional profile. Now let's get to mixing and baking. Start by whisking your dry ingredients together in one bowl, ensuring they are well combined. In a separate bowl, mix your wet ingredients. Then, gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cookies. Drop spoonfuls onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes until lightly golden. Want to add more flavor? Try incorporating warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or a pinch of allspice into your dough. For a little extra indulgence, a small amount of sugar-free chocolate chips or finely chopped dried fruit can be added, but remember to keep it sparing to maintain the low-calorie count. Once baked, store your delicious, healthy cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. There you have it, delicious, low-calorie oatmeal cookies that you can enjoy without any guilt. They make a fantastic snack or a perfect accompaniment to your morning coffee or evening tea. These treats prove that healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching and happy baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.